Hello and welcome back to Toolbox Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use image extender on Canva. You don't have to spend a lot of money on it. You just have to have Canva and you go to the apps and in search, you're going to type in AI image extender. And after that, you can choose from a lot of extenders. So I'm going to choose the first one to show you an example how simple it is to do. So as you can see in the preview, you have a picture like this. And after AI does his magic, it extends the image. So let's try using this design. You can either create a new design, use on existing, or you just can simple go here in your project, which picture you want to extend it. So I'm doing a YouTube thumbnail. So let's do this kitten. Let's extend this picture. So press apps. Again, here, type in AI image extender and press the picture and let's scale it a little bit bigger, double size and generate. AI is finishing expanding. And as you can see, AI expanded the image. Let's add it to the design. And for comparison, you see the kitten has only a flower. And in this picture, let's expand it. Add more surrounding to it. So I hope you learned something and see you next time.